Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Today I want to introduce you to a new trading tool developed by the team at ACY. So it's actually a live interactive Forex trading feed, okay, that comes through Telegram. Now I'm going to go through and show you how that works, but I guess the short and long of it is it allows you to be alerted live when the technical analysis stars can align and price reaches a bit of a sweet spot or a key level in the market, so that you can focus your attention on it and decide if a trade is going to set up for you there or not. So let me go through and explain what I mean by this key level. So I'm going to share the actual feed with you now for you to have a look at. So you can see it here. You'll get these live broadcasts. So they'll come up either in the form of a video or just in the form of a highlighted chart with a description as to what the key level is and why. That's probably most important. So let me show you this example. So this is for the pound against the US dollar. So if we're having a look at the cable, this is one that Duncan Cooper, okay, he's our senior market strategist and he's a trading mentor, has been doing this for a very long time, hosts a number of our webinars as well. So by all means, go and check them out. But you can see here, he's highlighted this point because you can see the trend is down on the pound against the US dollar, and then price has retraced all the way back up to a key Fibonacci level, which happens to coincide with weekly support becoming resistance. So right there's a spot where I might say, well, I might be looking to see if a trade is going to set up here to sort of focus my attention. Because let's face it, the markets are open 24 hours a day, 5, 6, 7 days a week, depending on what you're trading. So having someone alert you to opportunities where they may present themselves is going to be extremely beneficial. All right, let's go see how this went. So I'll bring up the actual chart now, because this was 2 or 3 days ago. So I'm bringing up, that's the level there. Right there is where Duncan was pointing out the fact that you had weekly support becoming a Fibonacci retracement level and starting to fail at that key level in line with the longer term trend. So all of those things right there is where I want to be looking. If I'm looking for high probability trading opportunities, then spots like that are ones I might want to look at. So if you have a look from here over the last sort of 3-4 days, you'll notice it actually moved down pretty rapidly, down about 150 to 170 pips there. And at present, if you were in a long position, these key levels also may allow you to determine when you're going to get risk out of your trade, or when you might look to take partial profits, is if there's a key level that it's approaching. All right, let's have a look at one more. So I'll show you another example. So let's move down. So we'll move down to, say, the euro yen. So I want to show you this one because I was watching this pretty keenly when the Bank of Japan was coming out with their press conference only a day or so ago. So let's have a look. I'll just open this one up. And you can see here, very similar scenario. This time Duncan's using a 15-minute chart, and you'll see price goes all the way back up to this 79% retracement level. At this point, it's just at a key level. We don't know if it's going to reverse. We don't know if it's going to punch through. But what I can do is focus my attention up at a weekly resistance level. The longer term trend is down. We're up at a 79% retracement level. All those things are basically coming together. So therefore, I want to look for that as a potential trading opportunity if it sets up. So if we go and look at the chart, and we're looking at euro yen, you can see where it's literally gone up. It's literally ran into it almost a pip away. And from there, you can see price puts in this lower top. You get this nice trend line break, and then price moves down, I guess, from that level about 150, 160 pips. And in fact, if we continue moving forward to today, this is on a 15-minute chart, you can see it's well and truly held that level. So are we going to be now looking for price to come up, and will we be putting out another crucial level to enter potentially another trade? Or are we going to get a full reversal occurring? So regardless of what you're trading, you can get updates on these key levels live to you, thanks to the folks at ACY Securities. If you would like to get an invitation and you have a live account, then by all means, email me at nathan.bray, so nathan.bray@acy.com. I'd be more than happy to have a chat to you and get you invited to this feed. Now, to finish off with, let's have a look and see if anything has come out recently so that we can see how it's performing today. So what we're looking at here, for example, is one that's only gone up very short time ago, and it's basically looking at the US dollar yen reaching up around on the 15-minute chart, reaching a level of resistance. So if you're invited into this, you'll be able to look at that and read that in more detail and look for an opportunity. And even earlier today, I noticed there's a level that we're looking again at a 62% retracement level on the Aussie against the US dollar. So you may only have 3 or 4 opportunities present themselves over a number of days, but being alerted to those opportunities might put you in the position to make you more profitable or more consistent with your trading. All right, thanks everyone. Talk to you soon.